Hi, this is Savio Rodrigues of the BJP. 2 days ago, a mobile company was erecting a mobile tower in a school premises at San Jose de Ariel. This school has over 100 students, young students. The people protested. The Sarpanch Joyce issued a stop work order. I was requested by the people to intervene, and I did. I spoke to the Chief Minister. I impressed upon him on the concerns that the people at San Jose de Ariel had over the mobile tower coming in the school premises. I requested him to stop the work and to look at an alternate site that the Panchayat had already selected. I am grateful to the Chief Minister for having heard me out and for listening to the concerns of the people at San Jose de Ariel. The work has been stopped and the mobile company is dismantling the work that they have already done. Together, as people of Velim, we will always work for the interests and the betterment of the Velim constituency.